You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these phrases from French. This is, of course, the name of this famous book. If you want to learn how to pronounce the name of the author perfectly, because too many people mispronounce it, make sure to stay tuned. I've got the right video and I'll link you to it at the end of this one. This means The Little Prince, but the original title of the book is Le Petit Prince, is how it's said in French. Le Petit, petit, yes, it's a silent T. Petite is not, petite would be feminine, so that would be the petite princess maybe, but that's a prince, right? Le Petit Prince, Le Petit Prince, if you want to pronounce it a bit sort of in English, Le Petit Prince, Le Petit Prince, you could say, or in French again, Le Petit Prince. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.